I didn't know at an early age. Can try, but I won't stay in peace in my place. Hello everyone, and welcome to this guitar tutorial. And today we're going to be learning about the song Guitar Song by Rex Orange County. So this song is one of his newest releases from his recent album, which is called the Alexander Technique. And first up, I would just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach, as well as these guys right here for participating in the post that I made in the community tab. Thank you very much. So that said, quick disclaimers first. I'm going to be playing this song as close as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And as far as the song structure is concerned, it's basically just going to be an intro. It's going to be this long verse followed by the instrumental, then this notable sax solo, as well as the outro section of the song. And there's also going to be a saxophone solo for this song. So what I'm going to be teaching you guys is just going to be the backing track, or the rhythm part of the guitar of the song. But to keep it more digestible for you guys, I decided to break down the verse into smaller chunks as well, so that more of you guys will be able to digest the song as we go through this video. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So all in all, we've got the C sharp major 7, G sharp major 7, A sharp 7, F minor 7, C7, C sharp minor 7, D sharp 7, F sharp major 7, C minor 7, A sharp minor 7, we've got the B major 7 chord. Okay, and as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Yep, down, down, up, down, up. If you prefer using your fingers, recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums, and this part of your thumb for the up strums. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up. But if you prefer using a pick, it's going to be much more straightforward than that. So you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. Once again, down, down, up, down, up. And with that said, the guitar strumming pattern is going to be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the intro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, so it's going to be like this. C sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. G sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. D sharp 7 chord for 2 counts. Then the A sharp 7 chord for 2 counts. Yep, then we're going to be repeating this chord progression one more time. So once again, C sharp major 7 chord. Just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so for the first verse, or rather the first part of the verse section of the song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. So once again, it's going to be the C sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts, G sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts, D sharp 7, A sharp 7. Then after that, we're going to be repeating this chord progression one more time. D sharp 7. Then after that, it's going to be the C sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts, G sharp major 7 for 2 counts, D sharp 7 for 2 counts. Now this time we're going to the F minor 7 chord instead of the A sharp 7 chord. It's going to be the C sharp major 7, C7, F minor 7. It's going to be the C sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern twice. It's going to be like this. Then the D sharp 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I was down and out in San Fran, hoping they could make the drive. I was a lonely stoner, I was always making time. I wasn't safe for a second, closing my eyes. I never felt at home till I got home and realized. Okay, so for the second verse, or the second part of the verse rather, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Once again, C sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. Then this one. One more. Now this time it's going to be the C sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. G sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. Then the F sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. And the F minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Then same as normal. Then C sharp major 7. Then D sharp 7. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I remember being 16, didn't have a thing with open eyes. Couldn't take the pain, but I was so down to try. Looking at my reflection, but wanting to die. Didn't like what I was seeing then, I had open mind. Okay, and as for the third verse, or rather the third part of the verse section of the song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. So once again, it's going to be the C minor 7 chord for 4 counts now this time. F minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the A sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Then the D sharp 7 chord for 4 counts. Once again, C minor 7 chord for 8 counts now this time, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern 4 times. So here it goes. Then the A sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. And the D sharp 7 chord for 4 counts. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Now I'm in pieces, trying to leave, but I can't. Doubting my outfit and doubting the way I look. She tells me you look great, but it hurts just the same. Okay, so for the fourth part of the verse section of the song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Now when it comes to chords that we're only going to be playing for just one count, what I want you guys to do is you just do one quick down strum, like so. Yep, just like that. So once again, it's going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 1 count, C minor 7, F minor 7, D sharp 7. It's going to be the C sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, which is going to be like this. Then the G sharp major 7 for 1 count, D sharp 7, F minor 7, C minor 7, A sharp 7 chord for 2 counts, D sharp 7 chord for 2 counts, then G sharp major 7, C minor 7, F minor 7, D sharp 7, C7, then F minor 7 for 4 counts. It's going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then the C sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I didn't know at an early age. Can try, but I won't stay in peace in my place. I can go compare myself to them. Okay, so when it comes to the instrumental break section of the song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So we're pretty much just going to be using the chord progressions for the fourth verse, or the fourth part of the verse section of the song. I'm just going to be rearranging it a little bit. So once again, G sharp major 7 chord for 1 count, C minor 7, then this, then this, then this. G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, and the C sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then after that, we're going to be repeating this first line right here at the top, then repeating that for 4 times, then that's it. So once again. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the saxophone solo section of the song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. It's a bit long, so I just try to do it a bit short in the demo section for this video. But it's going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, then C sharp major 7, then B major 7, then C. Yep, then after that, we're going to be repeating this part of the chord progression for a total of 12 repetitions. Then, assuming that we've already did that, we're going to the F sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then we're going to be doing that 8 times afterwards. So it's going to be like this: F sharp major 7 chord. That's 1. We're just doing that 7 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. And lastly, for the outro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. It's just going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, and the F sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts as well. Just repeating that twice, and that's the entirety of the song from start to finish. Just like that. Once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Can't go far, I can't go far, they can't go far, they can't go far. And yeah, so that's the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. So if you guys would like to watch my cover of this song, some sort of reference, just click this one right here. And if you guys would like to watch my other Rex Orange County guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.